Telangana Southern Power Distribution Company Limited, TGSPDCL, is responsible for electricity distribution in the southern part of the state of Telangana. The distribution districts are Mahbubnagar, Narayanpet, Nalgonda, Yadadri Bhuvnagiri, Suryapet, Siddipet, Medchal, Vanpathi, Nagarkarnool, Jogulam Garhwal, Sangreddy, Medak, Hyderabad, Vikarabad, and Rangareddy. Have complaints about TGSPDCL electricity services? You can complain to TGSPDCL either by calling the toll-free helpline or by submitting your complaint through TGSPDCL's online portal. Please note, for violations of consumer rights by TGSPDCL, you can also complain to the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, a National Consumer Protection Authority, under the Department of Consumer Affairs, or appeal to the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC. Level 1. Customer Care, TGSPDCL Electricity Board of Telangana. For any electricity-related issues such as power outages, billing errors, higher amounts, service interruptions, transformer or fuse problems, or other electricity issues, you can report your concerns to TGSPDCL officials and the Customer Support Center. Use the available contact methods and helpline numbers provided below to lodge your complaints. TGSPDCL Electricity Complaint Number 1912. Control Room +919491629047, Hyderabad Central +919491628269, HYD South. Customer Service Center. View contact numbers. Email customerservice@tssouthernpower.com. Complain online to TGSPDCL. File a complaint. When submitting your complaint, provide TGSPDCL connection number, if applicable. Type of complaint. Detailed description of the issue, along with any relevant photographs or documents, such as bill copies for billing-related complaints. For bill payment corrections or access to online services, please visit the TGSPDCL customer portal. If your previous complaints have not been resolved, escalate the matter by providing the reference or acknowledgement ID to TGSPDCL's Internal Grievance Redressal Cell, IGRC. Still not resolved? You can further escalate your grievance to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF. Level 2. Escalate to Consumer Forum, CGRF, TGSPDCL. If your initial complaints to TGSPDCL Customer Service or Internal Grievance Redressal Cell, IGR, have not been addressed within 60 days, you can escalate the case to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, CGRF. To file a grievance, follow these steps. Download the CGRF grievance form. Obtain the form from the TGSPDCL website or office. Submit online grievance form. Visit the CGRF section from the menu. Complete the form, fill in the necessary information or draft an application according to the specified format. Deposit required amounts. If your complaint involves a monetary dispute, you must deposit the following amounts. Attach receipt. Attach a copy of the receipt for the deposited amount with your complaint form. Retain copies. Keep at least one copy of all your documents and the application for your records. Include supporting documents. Ensure all required supporting documents are included with your application. Submit the form. Submit the completed form and documents. You can also submit a written grievance form to your nearest CGRF forums at zonal or circle offices. Upon successful submission, you will receive a receipt or a grievance number, reference number, for your complaint. Keep this number handy for any future correspondence or escalation if the issue is not resolved. Please note, you must file your grievance within 30 days from either the end of the resolution period or from the date you receive the final response from TGSPDCL, whichever comes first. Contact details for CGRF. Contact details to lodge your grievance with CGRF. 1. CGRF, I, Rural, TGSPDCL. Jurisdiction Districts, Mahbubnagar, Jogulam Garhwal, Nagarkarnool, Narayanpet, Vanpathi, Medak, Sangreddy, Siddipet, Nalgonda, Suryapet, and Yadadri Bhungir. Designation. Chairman, CGRFI Rural, TGSPDCL. Phone 040234314447. Email cpcgrf@tsouthernpower.com. Address: Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, TGSPDCL, H. No. 8-3-16714 GTS Colony, Vendal Rao Nagar, Eragad, Hyderabad, 500045. 2. CGRF 2. GH, TGSPDCL. Jurisdiction Districts: Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Medchal Malkajgiri, and Vikarabad. Designation: Chairman, CGRF 2, TGSPDCL. Phone: 0402343128. Email: chairpersonref@tsouthernpower.com. Address: Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, TGSPDCL, H. No. 8-3-167E1. CPTI Premises, GTS Colony, Vendal Rao Nagar, Eragad, Hyderabad, 500045. You can also send an email to cgmcgrf2_tech@tsouthernpower.com or cgmcgrf2_feen@tsouthernpower.com to raise your concerns with CGRF2. If your grievance is not resolved within 45 days to your satisfaction, approach the Electricity Ombudsman. Level 3. Appeal to Electricity Ombudsman, Telangana. As per the TSERC, Electricity Supply, Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum, and Electricity Ombudsman regulations, you have the right to appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman if your complaint with the CGRF of TGSPDCL was not resolved within 45 days. You are dissatisfied with the resolution proposed by the CGRF. The resolution from the CGRF is incomplete or only partially addresses your complaints. In such cases, you can escalate your grievance against Telangana Southern Power Distribution Company Limited to the Electricity Ombudsman of Telangana. You must submit your appeal to the Electricity Ombudsman within 30 days of receiving the final decision from the CGRF. File a complaint to the Electricity Ombudsman, Telangana. Please note, there is no charge for making a representation to the Electricity Ombudsman, and you do not need a lawyer to file your complaint. Assistance from the Consumer Advocacy Cell is available if required. If you are not satisfied with the final order of the Electricity Ombudsman, you may approach the High Court of Telangana or the Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, particularly for issues concerning commercial licenses or specific legal